Thank you for your custom development project with us at eDirectory.com and Arca Solutions. We're happy to be working with you to add some unique features and/or functionalities for you and your online community. Our kickoff calls are designed to outline the customization process so you know what to expect along the way to the finish line. This way, for any future custom development needed as you grow, you'll already know how it works. Your project pipeline will involve technical research, job design, PHP coding, mobile if applicable, internal coordination between the various specialized developers, as well as some internal quality assurance and testing. And then, of course, we'll open up the site to you for some client-side quality assurance to make sure we're all set. Then we place a nice pretty bow on your website and we turn you loose to get back to business. Here are some key points we want to make sure you understand how to get the best experience possible. The estimated completion date range is provided based on the number of jobs in the queue, level of complexity, and number of tasks to be completed. We estimate the job to be completed on the X week of month Y, for example, so we have some flexibility to schedule your completion call and wrap up any loose ends. If your invoice was paid long after the job was, we will need to update the estimated completion date. We'll send daily activity reports to the contact person for the project so you know your money's working for you. You'll also be able to schedule status update meetings weekly or bi-monthly, depending on the size of the project. Important to note that at times, we may need some additional information from you in order to proceed with the project and meet timelines. Please be sure to respond as soon as possible. Any response not received within 48 hours may take your project out of the priority queue, which will delay the project completion. As we book new custom jobs daily, we need to keep up with the demand and best manage expectations. Please check your designated email for important updates. Equally important, your account manager is responsible for the completion of dozens of custom development projects for several clients at a time, so email responses to non-urgent or unrelated inquiries may take up to 48 hours to get back to. For larger projects or newly issued quotations, if a delay in payment of more than 48 hours occurs, your project runs the risk of losing its priority scheduling. Please be sure to keep up with the payment arrangements to avoid delays. Project managers have no control over this, so be sure to stay in touch so our custom development team can get you the best outcome possible. Please let us know. As we go through the custom development project together, you may realize that additional work could be needed to bring your original vision to life. This is okay. However, our responsibility is to make sure you get exactly what you paid for within the agreed upon terms and time frame. As adjustments pop up, and they will, please keep in mind that we want to do everything that you want us to. However, our responsibility is to complete the original job. We hope you understand that your website business is constantly in a state of evolution. We'll be here to grow your site with you. Given this, we'll need to quote any additions to the original proposal in order to best manage your expectations. We'll then create a phase 2 of your project and can set aside some special time to discuss this in greater detail once the original project has been completed. You'll be able to schedule a phase 2 private session with your account manager using the link in their email signature. This about covers the key points that are important for you to be familiar with so we can make sure to hit the project on the mark with you and align ourselves to continue to grow together. Thank you again for your business, and we look forward to getting started.